Welcome to Social Buzz Marketing. My name is Ashley, and I'm here today to walk you through the simple steps it takes to leverage a Linktree for your social media accounts. Ready to get started? Let's get into it. So you're going to start off by going to linktree.com. Here, you're either going to sign up for a new account or you're going to log into an already existing account. So once logged in, you are going to end up on this landing page that asks you to input your brand name. In this example, we're going to use Weber Marketing. Then it's going to ask you what industry you belong to. So whichever industry you choose is ultimately going to change what shows up down here as your categories. So different industries include the creative industry, education, even food and beverage. But for this example, we're going to choose business and agency and consulting. Once that sets up, you are going to show up on the main landing page, which allows you to change your links and your appearance, enter the marketplace, view your analytics, and update your settings. So in order to set up your Linktree, you have to add 3 links, customize your page, and share your Linktree. We are going to start off today by adding our Instagram for the Weber Marketing brand as our first link. Once that's added, you are able to update the title. So the important thing to remember when updating a Linktree title is you want to use actionable language and calls to action in order to increase your engagement. So for this example, instead of just writing Instagram as our title, we're going to say follow us on Instagram. Now you can see it pop up here over on the right, and this is what it's going to look like on mobile devices. So now that we have that one, we're going to add the rest of our links and now change our appearance. So under the appearance tab, you can change your profile photo as well as your bio. So your bio can be up to 80 characters. You can include whatever you want in here, whether it's your brand's tagline, whether it's something you want people to know about your brand. But in this specific example, we are going to use the Weber Marketing tagline, which is turning clicks into conversions and likes into loyalty. From there, you can add your social icons, and then you can change your theme. So Linktree comes with a lot of built-in themes to choose from, as you can see here. You can also customize the theme, so you can include your own brand colors, your brand fonts, anything you would like there. In this example, as you can see on the right here, we have Air Black, but we are going to change it to this confetti one. Obviously, this isn't the Weber Marketing branding, but it's just nice to look at for this example. So another cool thing about Linktree is you can actually create your own custom theme. Now, if this is something you guys would like me to create a tutorial on, just let me know in the comments below. Now, after you change your appearance, once it's live, you can actually view your analytics. So this shows you who's been clicking through your Linktree. It allows you to look at your views, the number of clicks, click-through rate, average time to click, revenue, and any subscribers you have. You can change the date range on this all the way up to a year in the past. Now, once your Linktree is live, these analytics will start populating down here, showing you different charts and graphs of what is happening. From here, we can navigate back to our main links homepage. Now, as you can see, our Linktree is live because we have done all of these steps. And in order to add it to your socials, what you're going to do is copy the URL. And in this example, we are going to add it to our Instagram as the website link. Now, by doing this, it shows up right in our main bio that people can't miss and click on. And just like that, our Linktree we created shows up. It just took a few minutes, and it's a super simple way in order to increase traffic to your website or any social medias you want to generate awareness about.